Whoa.
Once again, I would never want one.
What is that?
20,000
What is that noise? Fuel pump of doom. I can't figure out how that clip comes off.
What?
What?
What's happening?
BMW. It's that BMW life. It's hard. No, YouTube that shit.
Yeah, Joe, I'll let you just do this, Jimbo.
Low pressure fuel pump
Damn, man.
removal.
I don't even want to hear about
Dude,
that. I don't even want to hear about that, dude.
It's got a little green tab. We're pushing on this green tab, and it doesn't want to. The hose doesn't want to come off.
You know why? Because it's not Japanese. Oh, you like what I did, Bo? Single-handedly?
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Hey, that's a nice all-tell you got there.
Hey, look, it's the rocks.
Oh, it really is the rock.
It's the rock.
I thought they were talking about Mo.
I thought you were talking about Mo, yeah.
Wear safety glasses. No.
Oh, hey. What you doing?
Man, screw your phone.
Hey, my phone. I'm through.
I'm so focused on this phone. It's so important right now.
It's a watch, Mo.
Hey, Mo,
Jeez.
maybe you need to call all-tell, see, tell them no, you have a problem.
Someone had a problem already?
Here, it's a 716 number. I'm just gonna answer it. Hello? Hello? Sorry, this is Corey. This is Art's phone. How may I help you?
Oh my God. Now, how many months is it going to take for y'all to get it back?
Yeah, I actually have him right next to me. He just got finished. So let me just hand
Is this a sitcom?
Sherry,
What's
you
going
worked
on?
our BMW?
Yes, Sherry. I need bomb diffuser. Hurry.
Just light the gas on fire and walk away.
I need bomb diffusers of doom.
Is that what it is? Let's just see what happens.
Dude, this fuel pump's been in here for
Yeah, well, let me guess, maybe 10 years? You know, like
how did you know?
I don't know, we're in 2018, it's a 2008 135i. But yet
Damn.
they still use plastic and it's in fuel, which totally makes sense.
You're so smart.
I know, that's why the sedan didn't kill me.
Hey.
Hey, because I was smarter than the car. Someone took my tooth. Yo.
Hey, can I get some bomb diffusers?
Wait, where are those?
Bomb diffusers of doom.
Needle nose?
Just some sort of bomb diffusing doom device.
I don't remember what the bomb diffusers are, so I'm just gonna grab these and.
Looks good.
Oh, you mean the dikes?
Anything. To diffuse the bomb. No, that's not a cutting device.
Well, that's what you had to say. I'm like, I don't remember the.
Cutting device.
Oh, it only took a card or maybe forget.
I
Okay.
need a device to cut the black wire or the white wire.
Yeah, I don't know, boss. Let me see. Oh, here we go.
Which wire? Which wire do we cut?
Wait, why are we cutting a wire?
We're cutting a wire.
Okay, here's your little diffusers. Look, here we go.
The black wire.
Wait, why are we cutting a wire?
There we go. Here you go. You can have that.
Wait,
Ew.
oh, the other one comes with its own wire. Oh, yeah.
Why is this car yelling at me constantly?
Oh, here, let me
So
take
this
let me-
pushes in, but this doesn't want to come out.
That's what she said.
Nah, dab. Come out! Stupid plastic clippy thing. Merrick, it's not funny. Hey, Corey,
I'm right here.
can you push? Okay, when I
Hey,
squeeze in this green tab alien looking thing, can you push on the white plastic looking thing
yeah. You're using the pry bar. Oh,
so we
hold
can separate? Here, use a screwdriver. It's over here.
Screwing.
Here, use this flathead.
Okay.
You're gonna push on that.
Okay.
That ain't working.
No, it sure ain't. The only thing I can think of is you cut the tip off the pump itself and then like pry it.
Break it off.
No, don't break it.
That's what.
Oh, break it off the fuel pump?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Then just flip it around and pick it out.
Yeah. God, this is so stupid. Who engineered this?
Germans.
I can't even separate this stupid thing. Here, I got another idea. Can I see that flathead?
Yeah, try her. Here you go.
Doom everywhere. I'm gonna break this hose and I'm gonna be pissed off.
Yeah, let me go get Knips.
It's so hard to even do anything with this.
Just the Caniperinos, you grab them, kind of twist, moving them, pop off. We'll see.
There's doom everywhere. Doom is all around us. Doom is all around this fuel pump.
Do not light a match right now.
No. Ow! Ow! Stabbing me! Flathead screwdriver stabbing me into my finger.
We're having a malfunction.
I need my fingers.
Malfunction. Okay, look, Jimbo, this is what I want you to do. Grab it like that, where it pushes the little green tab, and then you kind of move and grab and pull.
The problem is the fit in here.
Yeah, the thing is, if you can get a good grip on it, then you can push with the other hand down on the pump.
Hey, that's a fucking plan right there, Corey.
Fudge.
That's a fudging plan right there.
Right there.
Corey.
Yeah, that's right. Say it like that, boy.
It ain't working.
When you're out stranded out in the middle of Africa and you're trying to fight dinosaurs, you're trying to do a fuel pump so you get out of there, you can kind of figure out different ways.
Ah!
Oh, you know from experience?
Dude,
No.
where'd it go?
What do you mean that?
Did you do it?
What happened?
It came out.
Huh, I wonder whose good idea that was. Ah!
Get a bucket. There's gonna be fuel everywhere.
Oh. Well, you're on your own, Jimbo.
No, Corey.
Here, let's put license plates in the stupid bucket.
I got a fuel in here.
Bucket of washing. All right, here you go.
Your dad's gonna kill you.
That's fine, it's fuel. It'll clean the bucket. It's dirty in there already. Oh no, my BMW pump. Oh no, we're gonna have to not assess that pump and not care.
Wow.
Bye. Dude, there was license plates in that. You're really gonna be worried about a stupid fuel pump with fuel in it? That's probably gonna clean it.
That was dumb. This is so stupid. Stupid engineers. What?
I don't want to go there right now.
These stupid engineers with their stupid
yeah, you know, I'll
plastic
explain
cars. Whoa.
Once again, I would never want
What is that?
20,000
What is that noise?
Oh, his foot's on the chair.
Eric, I thought the car was blowing.
I'm like, how is the fuel pump running? It's not
That's what I
connected.
thought the fuel pump was running.
Look, once again, why I wouldn't want to pour it.
Ah! Fail. There's so much doom going on right now in
It
here.
smells so good.
It does.
Not.
Not so
From
much fuel.
Fuel octane.
Of doom. Let's hope this clicks on. Okay. That clicked on. Hey.
Hey.
Oh. Did I screw up? Did I actually screw up? No, I can fix this. I can make it better. I can make it faster. I can make it stronger.
Softer.
Softer, harder. I forgot to put the new green thingy rubber gasket sealer of doom. Okay, this way.
Oh, hey, my buddy over at Ignited Garage.
How many Polish people?
He got a truck, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna call it his truck of doom just because of us.
Truck of doom. How many Polish people does it take to install a fuel pump?
I don't know. This one's just recording it.
One. One Polak. One fuel pump. So little time. See, this is dumb because they don't even give me enough of a hose, or do they? Oh, maybe. This is so stupid.
You put it this way. Put it this way. I had to call a different shop.
You gotta-
It's how to do timing on a
Click
fork.
that shit in.
Hey! We're vlogging over here! Shut up!
I know, I'm about to come over there. Shut up.
I can't see shit! Why are you stuck in here? Why? Why do you not give me any more access?
I don't know, maybe it's about time that
Where's my sawzall?
I guess it's about time to say that Dave's not in his office, his phone keeps ringing.
Dave!
I'm gonna go see what it is.
Oh, stopped.
So much doom right now. If I break this hose, I'm gonna be pissed. Small German Hans, yeah.
Oh, he's in the bathroom.
Hans.
Okay.
What?
He's in the bathroom. And it's a 719 number out of
Damn
state.
it! Why can't you just get in your hole?
It's being used on this car. Oh, there he is.
Yo.
Your phone went off.
Ah, yes, victory.
Oh, look, this is what it's supposed to look like. Make sure you put your ring on first, Jimbo.
Jesus.
Please put the ring on first before you connect the hoses.
I am putting the...
You both outside. You weren't gonna put it on.
Hi, Mo.
Hey, all this cussing for this, huh?
Hi, Momo.
The usual.
Hey, Momo. Do you think you can program? Hey,
Oh, we got a match.
Hey, no.
No matches.
Hey, Momo.
That's how Doom
You
happens.
can program that ECU, Momo?
I'm gonna find out if y'all's missing power can do it.
Am I missing what?
Powers. Yeah, you're missing all the.
Hey, you think we could pull it off and
I
just?
can't get the stupid fucking ring on.
There, you know what? You're being defeated by a fuel pump for a BMW.
Yes.
Is this another one of those items where it gets you to the crossroads of selling the car?
Hey, Mo, as people as us that can repair BMW V8s, sometimes there's just other parts of BMW
Oh,
that
Jesus.
undoable.
You know what? That is a pain in the
I
ass.
don't even know if I want to come back to work. I may just go home. I'm just kidding. Oh, there goes it. Have you ever had those fuel pumps where it spins and you think it's going on, all of a sudden it pops off?
Yeah, I've had that on the 545.
That's exactly what it's doing. Thanks, Corey.
Yeah, I
Fucking asshole.
Look, I was spinning it and the white.
Thanks, Corey.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Thanks, Corey. Corey, go do something.
One power. Fix it here.
Hey, I bet I could have done this one-handed.
Oh.
Bullshit. I call bullshit on that one.
We didn't say time, we just said doable.
You did take a Porsche apart.
I mean, I can still push with this, I just can't grab things.
Okay, I think it's on.
Okay,
Now he's got to hit it.
hey, we're about to start. Really, guy?
I didn't put him up for it.
Do sermo. Check a battery jumper. Let me go to let me get the box. Well, you know what? I should get yours now. Since it's been on there for the doohickey thing for quite
Is
a bit
it
of
on there? Already?
You better find out.
Is it doomed? Fucking car.
fudge.
Fudging car.
Wait, where's the connector?
What connector?
Oh,
Corey, shut the up.
hey, third time back to work. Guess it's the charm, huh? Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know if it went on all the way.
Dude, I've been sitting at home watching your videos. I can actually physically watch from the first stand for free.
Hey, I got a idea. Why don't we have the special tool required for this stupid fuel pump thing? Why do we always use hammers for everything and screwdrivers?
That's the way, Jimbo.
That is the way.
It's the way. Do you know the way?
Dude, when someone's like, yeah. I mean, it's like when you have a ball joint pump, you don't use a hammer. You're like, oh man, beating the crap out of the arm's already bent. That's why you got an air hammer now.
Okay, I think that's enough doom.
Before we bolt it, let me just turn the key and see if it even tries it.
Wait, I gotta plug it in. All right, go ahead. My phone.
Where is your phone?
Somewhere. Corey, can I get my phone, please?
It's World Pack. There you go.
The pack of the world.
Yeah, here. Let's see if it primes.
Hello. This is art. Yes, it works. The fuel pump works. What's up, buddy? Whoa!
It's definitely need to run a couple times. It's got an air pocket.
I thought this was a manual. Hold on 1 second. Dave, maybe there's a wrong part that they here. Talk to Wellpack.
Hello?
Hey, we have fuel now.
Yeah, hold on. We had a gap. Remember, we had
Go with Android. I might be able to figure that out.
we might need to clear the codes.
The Max Go? You know how it's used to?
I don't want to blow the starter out. It's trying.
It's priming. I can hear it run. It's running. Can I try it?
Now the question is, or do we have a leak in the front? But
Yeah.
that's running. Okay,
It's priming now.
let's do this. It
Hold on,
probably
it's
has-
priming now.
Yeah, but if you're looking at the front, make sure it's not leaking.
Okay, here's my theory. My theory is that the low pressure fuel pump took a shit, and it caused the high pressure fuel pump to take a shit because that's always what happens.
Well, no,
Stupid
the high
cars.
pressure fuel pump's been replaced.
Yeah, I understand, but they still take a shit. Here, go ahead, start it, ho. Give it gas. Somebody give me a high pressure fuel pump.
press
I
it
gotta
now.
press that button.
You don't have to press it now. You have to press it when you're over there.
button.
No! Listen to me!
So apparently I'm filming now because
I have work to do!
this guy,
More doom everywhere!
this guy doesn't want to film because he's got Doom.
I'm just here because of yelling.
Doom everywhere.
And this is nothing but the end clip, so. Ah! I got I'm gonna hold the tension for you, brother.
So what we figured out after we put the fuel pump in this stupid thing and got it running, that the computer melted itself. Hey Corey, who melted this computer?
What?
Who melted this thing?
I didn't melt it. What are you talking about?
Melted. So we took out a donor computer, put the hood back on it. Stupid plastic components.